Hi, we'll talk today about the coordinate plane. So, the coordinate plane consists of two main axes. So, we have the horizontal axis as called x-axis, and we have the vertical axis as called y-axis. And by drawing these axes, we have four quadrants. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Let's plot some points in the coordinate plane. So let's see one. Here we have 5 and 0. So 5 is the x and 0 is the y. So we want to move 5 points or 5 units in the x-axis. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we should not move in the y-axis because we have a 0. So I'll just plot this point. I'll plot this point, and this is 5 and 0. Let's see the next one. Here we have 1 and 3. So this is 1 and this is 3. So let me just plot it. So this is the point that we want to draw. So it's 1 and 3. Let's see the next one. Let's see this one. Here we have -2 and 2. So this is -1, this is -2, and we want 2. This is 1, this is 2. So I'll just make a line. So this is the point. It's -2 and 2. Let's see the next one. So this one is -3 and -2. So we have -3. This is -2, this is -3, so this is -3, and we have -2, this is -1, this is -2. So I'll just make a line and line here, and this is the point. This is -3 and -2. Okay, let's see the last one. So here we have, let me change the color. So I'll just use the yellow. So here we have 2 and -4. So this is 1, this is 2. So I'll just make a line. Here we have -1, -2, -3, -4. So I'll just make the line like that. And this is the point 2 and -4. Let's see an example. So example number 1 says we want to graph regions in the coordinate plane. So we have this set and we want to graph it. So the first step that we should do is to draw the coordinate plane. So this is the coordinate plane. Now let's see the set here. So as you can notice here, we have x and y such that x is greater than or equal to 0. So the possible values of x is x equals 0, x equals 1, x equals 2, and so on. So x cannot be a negative number. So when we want to draw it or sketch it, this is what we will get. We'll get x equals 0. It's exactly on the y-axis. And then we'll draw lines like this. And this is the sketch for this set here. Let's see part B. So we want to graph this set here. So what we will have, the first step that we should do is to draw the coordinate plane. So this is the coordinate plane. And when we look at the set, here we have x and y such that y equals to 1. So the value of y is always 1. So, and x, it could be any number. So let's suppose that x equals to 1, x equals to 2, x equals to 3. The value of y would always be 1 in all cases. So the sketch for this graph is, just look here. Here we have 1. And the line would be something like this. So this is the graph for this set here. Let's see part C. So here we have x and y such that the value of y is between 1 and -1. So let me sketch the coordinate plane. So we have the coordinate plane here. Here we have 1. Here we have -1. So the value of y is here. So it's coming like this, because we cannot go in this way. So this region is now not included, and this region is not included too. So this is the sketch for this set here. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video, and goodbye.